In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your PS5 firmware or software version. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to console information. And now here you will see all of your console's information like system software and its version on the right side, your IPv4 address, your IPv6 address, MAC address of LAN cable, and MAC address of your Wi-Fi. So this is how you can find your PS5 software or firm version. Thanks for watching.